Hello friends, today we have with us the star cast of Bade Bhaiya Ki Dulhaniya, Priyanshu Zora and Namita Dubey to answer the queries of fans. Let's see what all answers they have. Is it possible to get a season 2 of the show?
Never say never. Nothing is impossible. But it's about
the probability is a little low, I feel.
You're still clicking, bro. Probabilities.
Probability is a little low.
Yeah.
Because I feel that obviously if something has not worked out for the best on some particular channel, they wouldn't want to put their stakes in it because the stakes are really high now and it's very competitive out there. But that's what I feel.
Do you miss working with each other?
I have not even worked after that. But I'll miss him when I'll go on set and I'll miss a person like my co-actor will be I am sure will be a pest and will irritate me and not be. Okay, wait. I'm saying too much.
You'll miss that your co-actor. I was a pest. That's what you're saying.
No, I'm saying that
Your co-actor will be a pest.
will be future co-actor. Will
If
be
at all. No, he won't be. He or she won't be.
Okay.
There's probability of you working with female co-actors.
But that's what I told him when the show ended that I'll miss. I'm very possessive about you as an actor. I don't want to share you with the other actors, but I'll have to.
That was a very sweet thing she said, but
You
little
forgot
scary also. No, I remember.
I'll let you work with everyone.
I remember it. I didn't forget
Yeah.
it. So I was like,
Yeah,
what?
but you actually got scared. That I'm like, I won't let you work with anyone.
Would you like to work together again?
हाँ और क्या
Yeah,
बोल रहे यही तो बोल रहे तब से
Yes.
मतलब हाँ
Most memorable moment on sets?
जब मुझे
क्यों?
डांट पड़ी थी
There were many, but abhi, I think that there are
Which
better.
one do you remember?
That's what I'm saying. There are better memorable moments that I know of, which I can't recall in this moment.
But
when
tell
you
me.
asked me, what I recalled was. Process क्यों आ रही है?
Oh right
So
right.
there
So
was-
you have to tell na what moment
Okay, so shall I? No, I think there are better moments than this. No, for sure. Of ours.
See off screen you're asking right off screen
No, anything on set,
Any-
like whatever happened
So I
on
think
or-
all our lunch breaks were very fun. All our evening breaks were very fun. When we were working, also sometimes the environment used to be so like heavy. Everybody was like so much into like work and all, but we used to laugh so much. I think one point of time everybody got irritated also that we used to laugh. Especially I used to like keep on laughing for like I think 6 takes and like. He used to tell me, Namita, look around, everybody's getting angry now. Then I used to be like, okay, now I have to do the scene. Yeah. So there were too many moments.
What inspires you the most about each other?
It's an old question. We have answered this quite many a times before. I would say the same thing what I've said, but now I have even more things to say because until then, when the show was on, we've known each other mostly like 60%, 65% as actors, and then remaining 35-40 as friends or as colleagues, something like that. And now I know her as a person also, as a friend also. So what inspires me about her is everything to do with her intellect and her brains, and of course there are other things which I am really fond of.
What are you saying?
So this is what
Be clear.
this is what inspires me, and this is what I'm very fond of Namita, is that you can just crack any kind of joke with her and it would be in complete healthy manner. She would take it head on.
But it's
She'll
only
laugh
with a
at
few
it.
people. Let me clarify. Nobody can come and like do slap on my back and be like, oh, we are friends. I give that license to very few people. So we are very lucky.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay,
And
what inspires me the most about him is I think is his approach. I don't see, it's very difficult to imagine him on set like the way he is on set as an actor and the way he is as a person. As an actor, he's like, I think he's pretty obsessed with his work, which is a very good thing because I wasn't obsessed with my work. I used to be like, oh, I have to go home and eat. But he used to come and like, he used to like actually be into his work, which is really something that I want to inculcate in myself when I take up some other project where I have to work for, I don't know, donkey hours.
What did you learn from the experience?
This experience.
Which experience? Set experience. What did you learn? Be honest. Don't be diplomatic. He's very diplomatic.
I think you should really listen to your heart. In one line I'll summarize it.
Oh yeah, I think he's actually very instinctive about
So that's
a
what
lot of things.
So I think
Which he doesn't share till the point it becomes obvious. Like I was in the dark about a few things which I should have known. I thought he would have shared, but he didn't share it with me till the time I went up to you and I spoke to you about a few things.
Anyway, they won't get any hint out of such mysterious conversations. So the thing is that what I learned from this experience is an amazing approach towards my own craft. Because until I've said this before, and I strongly believe it, I've realized a very new approach towards acting. Be it the kind of character I got. Second is the kind of technical people who were on board who taught us, like the workshops, Atul sir, Percy, Sukesh sir and Motik sir were the producers, and of course the creative producers and content people of the show. So the kind of approach they had towards Abhishek, towards the show, and then the co-actor, of course. So all in all, it was a very wonderful learning for me as an actor, because everything was so different than what I have done or what I knew about acting. So I was very happy about the fact that was one learning, and on a whole I would say that you should really listen to your heart. I was really great. I've said this thing to her as well, that I was grateful that I got you as my co-actor.
Yeah, same. So what did I learn? I learned a lot of things because it was my first show, and I was always, from like the past 1.5, 2 years, ever since I started acting, I was very skeptical about doing television because I thought it'll ruin my acting. Because you have to do it day in and day out, and it's very difficult when you do it day in and day out to be inspired and do it to the best of your ability, because somewhere it becomes very yeah. So but I think it is doable. You have to do a few things to balance that. That's my biggest learning, so that I don't know what I'll be doing
next. She learned balance.
I hope I learn balance, and I hope I learn how to basically conduct myself also better, be more like harsh to others and not be sweet all the time.
What are you saying?
See, this is the bitter truth.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you won't be sweet to me now from now on?
No, not actors. Only actors, like they'll be my own people, no?
Community we are talking about now.
No, like you have to, like I was very naive, I feel now. I'm a little more smarter now.
How similar or different are you from each other?
We are completely different. Are we similar? I don't.
Sometimes we are very vaguely similar, I think. Sometimes he says things which are in my mind. Sometimes he thinks. Sometimes I talk to him the next day and he was doing the same thing what I was doing.
Yeah, such kind of similarities happen, but as individuals we are not similar like that. We are very in a very nice way we are different. So there are two kind of different people, no? Like Ek is different which don't click. Our difference complements us. That's a wonderful thing.
Yeah, and we are very different.
We are very different, and
I've never analyzed. This is a very good question to analyze.
We'll analyze it now.
We'll now analyze.
So that's how we are different. She'll analyze, and I'm like happy about it.
Yeah, that was the biggest thing. He doesn't think. You mentioned something to him, and 2 days later, if you ask him, he's like, "Oh, I didn't think about this," and I'm like still in that thinking mode. Whatever. Okay.
Do you have a common friend from the industry?
Common friends in the industry? No.
Yeah.
Who?
Persis. Percy is the creative producer of the show, and she's a wonderful person, wonderful talented.
She has taught me the maximum.
So I've known her before coming on to this show. She has known her before coming on.
For me to take up a TV show, Persis was the reason.
Yeah.
Because
for me to take up this show, Persis was the reason.
Which is a very good thing, because life really changed.
Yeah.
Persis, we love you.
If you could give each other one suggestion, what would it be?
Love me.
Give us suggestion. What suggestion?
Marry me.
See now what he's doing,
One suggestion for Namita Dubey would be... What it would be, Namita? To get a manager. She really needs to... She's getting so much work. She needs to get a manager to handle her. And I'll do that.
I'm not going to tell you anything now.
If you want Namita Dubey,
she's my manager, by the way, guys.
I'm her manager. Reach me on 96.
Yeah, you can. One suggestion that I would like to give him is
What?
I don't know actually. There's no suggestion to give.
Kajal is so bored. She's like, I don't know what will people see in this video.
I think I would suggest that actually I don't know. He's got a very perfect balance between professional and personal, and I think that doesn't really exist. So I don't want to suggest. I want to take that from him. That's
Come on, you can suggest me something in my personal or professional life. No, something about my habit or something to do with my something that you can
I
suggest
don't
that
know, I
yaar
don't
ek kaam
know.
kar
Be
aisa.
a little slow paced. You're very fast. He's always very. He wants something to do. Otherwise, he might just kill me or you right now. It's like that. See. He'll just kill someone if he doesn't have something to do. Just imagine, that's why he used to love his work, because you had something to do.
For more updates on your favorite TV stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Kajol Mishra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hello everyone, this is
This is Namita Dubey and this is Priyanshu Jora.
you are watching us on
India Forums.